Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today we're going to check it out, another chrome effect in Photoshop. Alright, first step, I'm going to select the paint bucket tool, click on it, and I'm going to make sure that I'm on the black, select the black, and click here. I'm going to select the type tool, make sure that we're on some light color. I'm going to go with light gray. Click OK. I'm gonna click, type in the letter T, press Ctrl T, press and hold Shift plus Alt, scale it up, double click. By the way, this is the old English text. You can see it right here. Okay, so from here we're gonna double click on the text. Double click here. So first thing, we're gonna go to the blending options right here and make sure that the fill opacity is on 0. Okay. Select the gradient overlay. So basically I added this these colors to the gradient. You know, you can click on the gradient and you can manage however you like here the colors. You know, for example, I selected this. I'm gonna press and hold Alt to create a new handle like this one. And I'm gonna click on the color and I'm gonna, you know, I can change it, for example, on green, and it's going to show here the green. You know, and you can adjust it however you like. If you pull this down, it is going to disappear. Basically, it's going to delete itself. Okay, if you manage this to adjust the gradients however you like, here are the presets, you know, the gradient presets. If you scroll down, as you can see, I already have some examples saved. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to call it, I don't know, gradient 5, and click on the new. So this is going to save it. Click OK. Here also you can adjust the scale, like, you know, if you increase it, it's gonna spread out. I'm gonna go somewhere around 90. I'm gonna go with the angle on 90. From here I'm gonna activate the bevel and emboss. And I'm gonna go to the style and select inner bevel. Make sure the depth is on 1000. The size, I'm gonna go with 24. And the soft, I'm gonna put it on 1. I'm gonna go to the gloss contour and select this one. I'm going to arrange the shading angle. I'm gonna go with 60-21. I'm gonna select a yellow color here, how I did before. So it's gonna make it more warm. It won't, you know, it won't look like that white. Click. I'm gonna change the shadow modes. I'm gonna go with full dark. Click OK. I'm gonna go to the satin, activate the satin. And I'm gonna select here the vivid light. Decrease this a little. I'm gonna go right now with 50. I'm gonna go to the contour, change it again to this. And I'm gonna go to the distance, decrease the distance. I'm gonna go with 17, size. So it's gonna add more glow here, you know. I'm gonna click OK. From here, I'm gonna go to the adjustments. Click, and we got here the gradient map. Click on the gradient map. Now go and click on this gradient line. And scroll down, we can see here, you know, the gradients that we saved. I'm gonna click on the new gradient that I created. Click OK. I'm gonna go back to the layers, drag this mask, and just drag and drop to the bin. I'm gonna press and hold Control. I'm gonna click on the letter T, you know, on the type thumbnail. I'm gonna go to the mask and mask it. From here, we're gonna select a blend option. How I know the color is the good one, you can see there. This is the color, but you also can test out some others too. Good. I'm gonna go to the adjustments, select the levels, select the curves, and I'm gonna add some contrast. You also can go back to the adjustments and select the color balance and readjust the colors. Make it more cold, make it more warm. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this color combo. Okay, I'm gonna create a new layer. So click on this little plus here. I'm gonna color it as black. Select the paint bucket tool, click. Actually, I need the black, so I'm gonna swap it to black. I'm gonna make the background black. I'm gonna double click on the text, name it as noise. I'm gonna right click and convert to smart object. From here, I'm gonna go to the filter, noise, add noise. I'm gonna go with the Gaussian noise on 10, click OK. I'm gonna go to the blend options, and I'm gonna go with the screen. And this is how you apply this effect on text in Photoshop. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.